Students, in this video, we will do the factorization by using the identity a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b in one bracket into a square minus ab plus b square in another bracket, and a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b in one bracket into a square plus ab plus b square. So we have to use these identities to factorize a given algebraic expression. We will see some example. See one question. We have to factorize 7a cube plus 56b cube. We have to factorize it. So first of all, we will see what is common in both. We see that in the numeral 7 and 56, 7 is common. So take 7 outside. We will write in the bracket a cube from the first term and divide 56 by 7. 7 8 ja 56, 8b cube in the second term. 7 a cube means a whole cube. 8b cube, it can be written as 2b whole cube. 8b cube can be written 2b whole cube. Now compare from this identity a cube plus b cube. What is in place of a? Small a. What is in place of b? 2b. Means a is equal to small a and b is equal to 2b. So we can use here the identity a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube means in one bracket a plus b. A plus b means a plus 2b. In other bracket a square. A square means small a square. Minus ab. AB means a into 2b. A into 2b. Plus b square. B is what? 2b. So we can write 2b square. Simplified 7a plus 2b. Next bracket a square. We can write it minus 2ab. 2b whole square, it will be 4b square. This is the factorization of 7a cube plus 56b cube. So firstly we have to see what is common in both, take it common, then write the given algebraic expression in the exact form of a cube plus b cube. So a cube can be written a whole cube, 8b cube we can write 2b whole cube. So use this identity. What is in place of a? Capital A, it is small a. What is b? B is 2b. So write in one bracket a plus b, in another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. A plus b means a plus 2b. A square means small a square minus ab minus a into 2b plus b square means 2b square. And after that simplify it. So in this example we have used identity a cube plus b cube. Now we will see one more example in which we will apply this identity a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b in one bracket into a square plus ab plus b square. So see the next question. Next example, 32 x cube minus 500 x. 32 x to the power 4. 32 x to the power 4 minus 500 x. See what is common in both. So in the numeral 32 and 500, 4 is common. In the literal x to the power 4 and x is common. What we will get in the bracket? 4 8 ja 32, 8. 1 x is outside, we can write 8x cube. Divide 500 by 4, we will get 125. X is already outside, so no x we can get from the second term. 4x, 8x cube, we can write 2x whole cube. Minus 125, we can write 5 whole cube. 8x cube can be written 2x whole cube and 125 5 whole cube. So what is a? A is 2x. Compare from this. A is 2x and what is b? B is 5. So here we see that a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 5. We will use the identity a cube minus b cube, because minus sign is here. So what is the factor of a cube minus b cube? A minus b in one bracket. So write a minus b means 2x minus 5. In next bracket we have to write a square means 2x square. Write 2x square plus ab, a is 2x, b is 5, so 2x into 5, plus b square, b is 5, so we can write 5 square. Simplify it. 4x, 2x minus 5, 2x whole square, it is 4x square, 5 to the 10x, plus 5 square is 25. This is our answer. So I have taken two examples. In the first example, I have used the identity a cube plus b cube. In the second example, I have used the identity a cube minus b cube. So in this way, we can use the above identity to factorize a given algebraic expressions. We will see some more questions. See next question. See next one. X cube plus x plus 2. X cube plus x plus 2. We have to factorize it. How we can do it? We can write x cube plus x. Write 2 times 1 plus 1. Take x cube and 1 together. X cube plus 1, and after that x plus x cube. 1 can be written 1 cube, and this can be written x whole cube plus x plus. In the first pair, we can apply a cube plus b cube identity. X cube plus 1 cube is there. What is a? A is x. What is b? B is 1. So here we can apply in the first two terms the identity a cube plus b cube. So what is the identity? A plus b. A plus b means x plus 1. In next bracket, a square minus ab. A square means x square minus ab. AB means a is x, b is 1. So we can write x into 1 plus b square. B square means 1 square plus x plus. Simplify it. X plus 1. X square minus x into 1 minus x. 1 square is 1 plus x plus. We see that x plus 1 is common in both. X plus 1 is common in both. So take x plus 1 common. In the bracket we will get x square minus x plus 1 from here. And x plus 1 whole bracket is common, so we can write 1 here. Next step, x plus 1 in one bracket, x square minus x, 1 plus 1, 2. X square minus x plus 2. This is our answer, factorization of x cube plus x plus 2. So here we have to split 2 into 2 parts, 1 plus 1. Take 1 with x cube and other one with x. Applying the first pair x cube plus 1 cube, the identity a cube plus b cube. After that take x plus 1 common in both. Now we will see the last question. See the last example based on this identity. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus 2b cube. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus 2b cube. We have to factorize it. See how we will do it. A cube minus, what is common in these two terms, second term and third term? So 3 is common in both, 1a is common and 1b is common. We can take minus 3ab common. Take minus 3ab common from the second and third term. What we will get in the bracket? So from a square, 1a is outside, we can write 1a. Minus sign is taken out common, so we can write minus here. 3 is outside, 1a is outside, 1b is outside, so b will come. So after taking minus 3ab common, we will get a minus b inside the bracket. And minus 2b cube, we will write it 2 times minus b cube minus. Write minus 2b cube 2 times minus b cube minus b cube. What is the first 3 term? This one. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. It is the formula of a minus b whole cube. This is the expansion of a minus b whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Then minus b cube. So first 3 terms can be written a minus b whole cube. Write the last term minus b cube. We can suppose a minus b is a and this capital B is b. So here we see that a minus b, it is a and b is capital B. So we see that it is a cube minus b cube. It is in the exact form of a cube minus b cube. So apply this identity. In one bracket a minus b, in other bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So we have to write in one bracket a minus b. So a minus b, that is a minus b. In next bracket we have to write a square. A square means a minus b whole square plus ab. What is a? A is a minus b and b is small b plus b square. B square means small b square. So a minus b, this part is a, this part is a, and this is b. So we have to write a minus b in one bracket. This one is a square, this is a into b, and this is b square. A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Now we will simplify it. So simplify this bracket. A minus b, it will be a minus 2b. Minus b minus b minus 2. Next bracket, a minus b whole square. So expand it, a minus b whole square. It will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b whole square. Open this bracket, multiply it, a into b, ab. A into b, ab. Plus into minus, minus b into b, b square, minus b square, plus last term, b square. Next step, a minus 2b, a square, this minus b square plus b square we can cancel. A square plus b square minus 2ab plus ab, it is minus ab. Simplify minus 2ab plus ab, it will come minus ab. This is complete factorization. So I have taken 4 examples in which we have used a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube identity. I hope that you understand it. You can apply the above identity in other problems. Okay, thank you students.